following the Federal Reserve's recent announcement of a 25 basis point increase in interest rates. The cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin, has remained stable. This move, in line with market projections, brings the federal funds rate to 4.75%, the highest it has been in many years. The Fed started its aggressive rate hike campaign last year to curb record-high inflation, which has had a detrimental effect on stocks, equities, and cryptocurrency values. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and Ethereum, the second largest coin, have seen an upward trend in the past week, with Bitcoin growing by almost 2% and Ethereum by 1.3%. James Butterfield, head of research at CoinShares, stated that the Federal Reserve's statement today had nothing new that would impact the market. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell tried to project a hawkish tone by saying that the job was not complete. But the markets were unresponsive. However, the U.S. stock market, which has been influenced by digital assets in the past 2 years, experienced a fluctuation in response to the news. The S&P 500 saw a 0.2% rise, and the Nasdaq increased by 0.2%. The dominant question among market participants is whether the bottom has been reached for risk assets. In previous market cycles, the bottom or top of the market came before or after the peak or trough of interest rates. Bitcoin, considered a risk-on asset, has followed the stock market due to its volatile nature, similar to equities. As the Federal Reserve raises interest rates to tackle inflation at 40-year highs, investors have sold off risk-on assets. The preference for safe haven assets like gold or the US dollar increases when interest rates are high. Today, the Federal Reserve indicated that it would continue to raise interest rates, although at a slower pace compared to last year when it increased the rate by 75 basis points 4 times. The Federal Reserve stated that it believes that continued increases in the interest rate target range will be necessary to achieve a monetary policy that is restrictive enough to bring inflation back to 2% over time. During a press conference on Wednesday, Powell highlighted that inflation remains too high and that the job is not yet complete. How do you think the Fed's meeting will affect the price of Bitcoin? Let us know in the comments section below.